Hey, it is Rue. Today we are going to make the old fashioned. It's actually a drink request from one of my good friends, Lily. Hey. All right, are you guys ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we're gonna need these ingredients. Bourbon. I have here bullet, Maraschino cherries, orange bitters, an orange. I know, I have a really tiny orange here from Cuties, but this is the mandarin one, so any kind of orange will do. Sugar, and the last item is a cinnamon stick. This is actually optional. 6 items. Okay, it's tool time. Let's go grab them. Ice, a muddler, a jigger, a rocks glass, a knife, and a bar spoon. First step, grab your rocks glass and your sugar here. The sugar I have is actually in cubes, so I'm gonna take 1 cube here and drop it in the glass here. If you don't have sugar cubes, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take 1 teaspoon of sugar and you'll drop it into your glass right there. Grab your orange bitters. We're gonna put about 2 to 3 drops into the glass here. The next step is this. You could actually put a few drops of water in here, but what I like to do is take the maraschino cherry here and we'll take just a few drops from here. I would coat it into a sugar cube here, like that. Now take your muddler. What we're gonna do is we're gonna muddle the sugar. Grab our ice. I actually got this from Bevmo, and it's really cool because it's a round ball here like this that you can put into your glass. Grab your bourbon, pour 1.5 ounce into the glass. Take your bar spoon and stir the drink. Grab your orange and your knife. Usually what you want to do when you peel is you want to try to make sure you don't have a lot of the white piece on there. Twist your orange. So give it a nice good zest here. And then wrap it around the rim like that. We're going to grab one of the cherries here, the maraschino cherries. Drop it in there. And the last step is cinnamon sticks. So this is optional. You don't have to put this in the drink here. This is actually an old-fashioned drink already made, but I like to put this in here because it gives it a nice flavor into the drink, and the stick is really good to use when you stir the drink. And there you go, my friends, the old-fashioned. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.